Just Derek Beasley.
Today turned out to be absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it really did. Almost, what, 60 degrees out there today?
Yeah, it was really nice. A little windy, but of course, you know, I'm going to find something.
The toupee is tightly woven to my head.
All right.
Yeah,
It was
that's all
sunny.
good.
Look good.
It was nice.
It looks great.
Thank
Greg.
you.
And well, I'll tell you what, Kim and Greg, looks like we do have another opportunity for rain in the forecast for tomorrow. So the clouds are going to roll back in, and I did mention the possibility of a couple of flakes of snow, some wintry weather perhaps mixing in for our northern counties. That is definitely a possibility here during the day tomorrow. It's not going to amount to anything. It's not going to be like last week, but that chance is there. As temperatures aloft are going to be cold enough to support that, not necessarily at the surface. Temperatures right now 45 in Mobile, 54 Pensacola, and the winds are still sustained out of the northwest at about 18 miles an hour, some gusts over 20 at times, and that is kind of made for a windy afternoon, but overall not bad. Had the clouds this morning and the sunshine this afternoon. Looks like skies will be clear this evening, staying breezy through at least mid-evening, and then by midnight tonight, skies clear down to 38 degrees. But we're watching our next storm system. You see all these clouds here? That is what's yet to come. That's the sign of things headed our way. So we're going to stay mostly clear to partly cloudy overnight, and then the storm system's going to head our way. Storm predictor is tracking it. See that little area of green right there moving through Texas, and you see it really doesn't look that significant on this map here, but it's a very weak system, and it's going to be just enough to perhaps squeeze out a few raindrops for tomorrow. So we have about a 40 to 50% chance for a few scattered showers, and our very northern tier counties could see a couple of sleet pellets mixed in, perhaps some snow mixing in from time to time, but nothing significant. It will not accumulate. It will not cause any travel problems. We get rid of that one. Here comes the next one, and this system right here is the one that's going to affect us coming up on Saturday, giving us our next opportunity for rain. So let's break it down for you. Pinpoint predictor showing tonight skies mostly clear, a few high clouds. They'll start to thicken up through the morning hours tomorrow, so staying dry overnight and through the first part of Thursday. Now, as Thursday afternoon progresses, notice the green popping up here. This will fall mostly as rain across most of the area, although again, up near the Highway 84 corridor, that's where we could see a couple of sleet pellets mixing in with the rain, perhaps a couple of snowflakes. Again, it's not going to amount to anything, and if anybody sees any accumulation, it's going to be up near I-20 in Mississippi and Alabama. So some light accumulation is possible there, but not this far south. Forecast for Friday looks dry, a little warmer, mid-50s, and then this weekend back into the 60s with a chance for some showers coming up on Saturday. So for tomorrow, here's what you can expect. First part of the day should be mostly dry, although I can't rule out a sprinkle or two, particularly to the north and west of I-65. But then as the day progresses, the rain will become a little more widespread, so we're expecting about a 30 to 40% probability by afternoon, perhaps up to 50%, especially for coastal areas. But for the most part, it looks like this is going to be a very quick-moving, weak system. 7-day forecast. Temperatures tomorrow only 43, so it's the clouds and the showers are going to keep temperatures down. It's going to be a chilly day tomorrow, but we'll be a little warmer on Friday and this weekend, back into the 60s with a chance for rain on Saturday.
Maybe a few flakes in, Washington, Clark County, but nothing around here, and certainly nothing like we
Thank
had last
goodness.
week.
Exactly. Don't be surprised again if you see that up north, but not going to amount to anything.
All right. Thank you, Derek. Sue